Alright, now we're doing 7Q, sum of a sequence. This is by FVVFYV. I don't know how to say that. So 88% of the people like it. Our task is to make a function which returns the sum of a sequence of integers. The sequence is defined by three non-negative values, begin and step inclusive. If begin value is greater than the end, the function should return 0, right? And here's some examples of it. Basically, like 6. Okay, what was it? Oh, the end. Okay, so here's the beginning, here's the end, and here's the steps in between. So right here, beginning is 2, end is 6, and we're going up by 2, 2, 4, 6. The sum of it is this. Okay, cool. So 1 through 5 steps 1 through 1 plus all the way to 5, 15. Makes sense. Okay. So for this, we're going to have, since we're doing a sum, we're going to have to store it into something. So we're going to say let result equal 0. So we're going to store the sum in there. Now we're going to do a for loop. We're going to say for, and we're going to say let I equal begin, and while begin is less than or equal to end, not begin, I. We're going to say I plus equal step. Okay? That way it'll iterate up by the step number. All right? Now for this, we're just going to sum it, so we're going to say result plus equals I, right? And then we're going to return result. Let's see what happens. Looks good to me, but that's a lot of typing. I think we could do something a little bit different using recursion. And recursion is the act of a function calling itself. And it's used to solve problems that contain smaller sub-problems. So I want us to just start with this beginning and then add a step to begin, and just keep calling sequence sum on itself. So let's see what we can do about that. So first things first, let's see. If end is bigger than begin, we're going to send a 0 out there. So let's just say that if end is greater than, is less than, yeah, if begin is greater than end. Okay, so if end is less than begin, we're going to say 0, all right? Just like it says there. And then if not, we're going to do the recursion. So we're going to start at begin, so we're going to say begin, and then we're going to say plus, and then we're going to do the recursion. So we're going to take this right here and put the arguments in, and the argument is going to be begin plus step. That way it goes up each time, and then comma, end, comma, step. And let's see what happens. Test it out. There we go. All right. Let's attempt it. All right. Submit it. And that's good. Let's go to My Solutions. As you can see here, if you didn't see what's going on, it's just going to go. It's going to go here, and then it's go to the next one and add it. And then since it's just coming back and through until it comes to the end, it's just going to keep adding them on there. Okay. My Solutions here, best practice in my opinion. Just a few of us very like it, and we'll see you next time.